Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A recipe in Cook's Country turned one HuffPost taste editor onto the idea of adding sugar to tuna fish. It called for 1/2 teaspoon sugar for every 3 5-ounce cans of solid white tuna in water. It sounds weird, but a touch of sugar cuts the intense, well, fishy flavor of the tuna.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
It's probably the liquid going into the salad, from the tuna, pickle relish, etc., that is causing the problem. Of course, if you make it a day in advance, what would have been pristine on the day it was made could get a little runny overnight.
Take our lead.
Most of the meat that comes from tuna is very lean, and the high heat of the canning process can severely dry it out. This is often the case with higher-end tuna as well. Oil-packed fish is usually better than water-packed, since the oil helps coat the dry fish protein and make it seem moister.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Deli tuna salad is generally just a lot of mayonnaise with a bit of red onion and celery. I seem to remember having seen grated carrot before, but that is likely an outlier in tuna salad land. Nothing special, at all. It's probably better than yours because it has more salt and more mayonnaise, and that's it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.